Hey y'all, it's Christine. Alright, so I just got this in the mail today. I kind of already know what it is. So y'all will see like a repeat product in this. So let's see here. There's another package. So, set that over there. Put that over there. Alright, so the first thing I'm pulling out of the box is this, which is the Florence by Mills Mind Glowing Peel Off Mask. I went on to her website and wanted to try to look for the mask applicator wand thing, and I thought might as well go ahead and order another one of these. So yeah, I got the char from Ipsy, which is in my room. I've used it once already. And another thing I purchased is from the Florence by Mills website is reusable bamboo cotton round pads, and it's a 10 count. Alright, so this all reminds me I'm getting a package from Ipsy tomorrow. Alright, so this is what the bag looks like that it comes in. And let's see here. These are what the cotton pads look like. Hold on, I'm gonna get them all situated. These are what the cotton pads look like. These are reusable, so when I go to wash my face, I cannot use the wipes anymore. I don't have to use the wipes anymore. I can just do this with it. My brother's right here. He's looking at me like, the fuck are you doing? Alright, so I have 10 of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Alright, so I have all 10. Alright, so and I have I have 2 more packages from Ipsy coming. One is the Glam Bag X, which I think is what I'm going to be getting tomorrow. And then after that, I'm going to be getting, whenever I get the regular Ipsy bag, I'll get it. That's coming. I also have a package coming from overseas, which is from Chloe, which I'll have my link down there in the description. For Chloe, it's like a invite link, referral link. So yeah, my BoxyCharm boxes have not shipped yet, and as a free sample, I got Florence by Mills their Clean Magic face wash sample, which is this. And I'm going to use this the next time I'll go to wash my face. And, yeah. How to use: massage into wet or dry skin, rinse thoroughly, avoid contact with eyes. If contact occurs, do not rub, rinse well with water. Alrighty, so that's what I just got. My brother got his a card in the mail that he ordered from Amazon, which he ordered it on the 1st, and let's see, today is, I think,
the 9th?
Yeah, the 9th, so there's that. So yeah, that's what's going on here. Yeah, and ironically, Florence uploaded, Florence by Mills just put an Instagram post. So, yeah. Oh, also I got a notification. Let's see. I got a notification from my local news channel, so I'm going to see about that. Also, something I got in one of the samples I got from a recent Ipsy mystery glam bag I got. I had used on my eyes, and I think my eyes, my under eyes look better. Let me know what y'all think. Hey, Charlie. Don't say anything.
Ah. Yeah, I saw that.
Yeah, I had to show my brother something. It's like I kind of don't want to mention any try not to mention politics on my videos. But there are times where I just feel like I need to rant some, but yeah. Alright, I think that's going to be about it for this video. Oh wait, this says... Yeah, so I can, yeah, it was like I'm letting my brother read the, care instructions for these. So, yeah, trying to think of, like, what else I want to mention in this video. My appointment yesterday went well. So, and he's wanting me to go get more blood work done. At which time it's like, at some point today, after work tomorrow, I think I'm going to get that done. So, yeah, I will be coming back. I will be making another video tomorrow, or whenever I get the Glamback X, which hopefully will be tomorrow. So, yeah, I think that's going to be it for this video. Bye, y'all. One more thing. When I get the, clawy stuff, I will make a video on that. So, yeah. Bye, y'all.